We've had team members say things such as, "We're so thankful to have this dedicated work time." We've always been asking for time to collaborate and work together to make sure that we are all on the same page, and that's exactly what this PLC does.
We really heard clear through our strategic planning process, especially from our staff, that they wanted something more regular, more frequent, where they could learn from each other, collaborate, and continue the professional learning. And so having these weekly opportunities is really big. It provides an opportunity for those connections, and also we were able to do it in a way that didn't reduce student instructional time.
I hear conversations that teachers are having that are centered on students, what we want students to know and be able to do. I see teachers looking at data and talking about that data, sharing strategies with each other about what worked in their classroom and what didn't work in their classroom, and then using that evidence to plan for future instruction.
Education is really complex, and educating students is a hard thing to do alone. So having a team that you can depend on, I think, will benefit students greatly.
A PLC centers around 4 essential questions, and that's really what we've been focusing on. What do we want students to learn? How do we know they've learned it? What do we do when they've learned it? And how do we extend their learning? And so we can really look through a unit and go through those 4 questions.
I think anytime teachers are all on the same page, it benefits student learning. So it's, an example, if a teacher is having a struggle with something in their class, they bring it to the team and they can feel supported, right? They can feel like there's other people in their corner, and then you can share strategies that everybody can be utilizing. So having this time together just allows us to really support one another, which then reflects on our students within their classroom.
Each teacher is an expert at their craft, but some may be more well-versed in other standards or strategies. And when you come together to say, what do I have to offer that maybe I can share with you, or what do you have that you can share with me, it benefits every student within our district.